My name is Kenneth J. I grew up here in Chicago in the South Side. I remember growing up and asking God to bless me to be able to get my family out the projects through playing football. I was 17 years old. I made my last tackle. I knew something was wrong. And at this point in time, I'm already shedding tears. Broke my neck, rendering me a quadriplegic, paralyzed from the neck down. It sent me to Shirley at AbilityLab. And for me, that was like, yes, because it was about possibilities. The Life Center gives you a place, a safe haven that you could go to, that you know you go get the right information. Well, you got a team that's gonna be able to work with you. You know, every resource that you pull up, every resource that you go through is vetted, so that way it's safe.
You don't really research what it's like to have a spinal cord injury or a brain injury or a stroke or limb loss until it happens to you or your family. And we're there for individuals and their families when that does happen and can provide them with curated resources and trusted information.
The Life Center actually have a website that you go into where you can learn about any different resources that you want to pull up about. If you want to go back to work, if you want to go back to school, learning about what it's going to take when you get home, they give you the resources on how to do that.
I don't know that there's another place in the world that's like the Life Center because it combines staff knowledge and experience with the patient's perspective and experience to provide this unique model of education.
One of the best things in my life, I'm a peer mentor.
We developed this peer mentor program where we select individuals who've gone through the rehabilitation process and then have navigated back to the community.
I give the patients opportunity to open up to me, to understand them, to appreciate them, and let them know that they're not alone.
Ken is such a bright light. He is integrated really into all aspects of the Life Center education. So we have individual education, we have patient and family education. His experiences and stories really exemplify resilience. He's almost illuminating a path of ability for others.
They told me that the rest of my life, only thing I was going to be able to do is blink. I wouldn't be able to breathe no more. I wouldn't be able to have kids. Told my life expectancy was 10 years. And through the Life Center, I've had opportunity to see, do, and touch more people now than I probably ever would before. And the Life Center has really helped and changed a lot of people's lives, including my own.